Good day everyone! I'm Rana May Serdan taking up Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English. So I am the night reporter and my topic is the purpose of having multilingual in a society. So let's start! So first, before let's proceed, let us know the definition of multilingual. So what is multilingual? Multilingual is most commonly used to describe someone who can speak or understand multiple languages, especially someone who can speak several languages with some level of fluency. It can also be used to describe things that involve or that are written or spoken in multiple languages. So next, after we know the definition of multilingual, let's now proceed to the purpose of having multilingual society. So, why multilingualism is important in today's society? As technology connects to our world, it is pretty obvious that learning another language can be beneficial in a lot of ways. Here are some reasons of why multilingualism is important in today's society. Number 1. Meet new people. By learning a new language, you are bound to meet new people and make new friends. If you are a businessman, it will enable you to break into new markets and leave your mark there. It will surprise you how open and friendly people can be when you talk to them in their mother tongue. Number 2. Employers love it. If you added the fact that you can speak another major language aside your mother tongue in your resume, your chances of getting employed in today's economy are much higher compared to those who only understand one language. Potential employers consider a multilingual skill as an asset because it enables one to interact and communicate with the diverse communities. Your commercial value will increase as an employee if you are able to broker a deal with manufacturers from other countries or interact with customers who don't speak your mother tongue. Being multilingual gives you an edge over your colleges who are yet to be bilingual. So next, it's relevant. A lot of people will argue that bilingualism is necessary and vital for everyone who wishes to keep up with today's global economy. The more people who embrace the importance of acquiring a second language, the better for them. As the world moves towards a more connected and integrated global society, those who can only speak one language will get left behind. So next, great tool for travelers. Learning a second language keeps you at an advantage whenever you want to travel for vacations. Traveling to a foreign country and staying there for a while could be adventurous and fun if you can understand and speak the mother tongue. You don't need to be fluent. The local would appreciate that you at least try to learn and communicate in their mother tongue. It is the easiest way to make a new acquaintance. For example, if you plan on visiting or migrating to China, then you should consider going for a Chinese course in Singapore. Next, your IQ increases. Learning a second language will improve your attention span and memory. The act of acquiring a second language exercises the brain and it will help you in boosting your problem-solving skills. It's new news that bilingual individuals tend to be smarter than monolingual students and perform better in math, reading, vocabulary, and business. As you learn a new language, your multitasking abilities tend to improve. You develop a better sense of judgment and better decision-making skills. Lastly, develop your self-confidence. You are about to go on a journey that scares a lot of people regardless of the benefit. If you believe in yourself, you can do it. You gain confidence whenever you master a new skill, and acquiring a new language isn't different. Truth to be told, confident individuals are more open-minded compared to people who are not sure of themselves. So now, let's proceed to the benefits of being multilingual. When talking about the benefits of being multilingual, most people think of the basic perks, the convenience one faces when visiting other places, and the advantage of communicating with the local population in other countries. However, the benefits of being a multilingual are far more. Multilingualism has been shown to have several social, psychological, and career advantages. Moreover, recent study shows several health benefits that arise from speaking more than one language. These include faster recovery after a stroke and delayed onset of memory loss diseases. So here is a list of some of the benefits you have of being multilingual. So first, enhanced communication skills. This is a given fact. The more languages you know, it becomes easier to talk to people, which consequently improves your communication skills. You can also get around many countries by actually speaking the language and experience the place like a local. Second, heightened linguistic recognition. Knowing multiple languages makes your resume stand out and can improve your competitiveness in the job market. Next, superior executive functioning. Many studies shows that those who speak a second or third language are more likely to be less distracted and more focused on tasks. So next, attuned to their surroundings. The cognitive benefits of being a multilingual affects both kids and adults. Children as young as 7 months who are exposed to more than one language tend to better adjust to environmental changes. Next, increase career opportunities. Speaking multiple languages has numerous employment benefits. Being multilingual means there are more job opportunities depending on the languages you speak. Several companies, especially the ones that have offices in different countries, are more considering multilingualism a high priority. Delay the onset, Alzheimer's or dementia. Being multilingual has proven to have positive effects on the brain. Skilled multitasking. Since multilingual people can easily switch between different languages, they are good at multitasking as well. Next, improves memory. Studies have shown that people who speak multiple languages have better attention, which has a positive impact on the memory skills of the person. Next, multiple languages multiplies perspectives. One of the benefits of being multilingual is that you can see the world in different ways. This usually makes them more open-minded to new things and new experiences. And lastly, increases ability to learn additional languages. A great benefit of being multilingual is that you can learn new additional languages more easily than monolingual. This is primarily because language skills reinforce each other. So if you already have a second language, then learning a third language simply means transferring skills over. So, that's all for today. Hope you learned something. Thank you for watching.